Hey, my name's Shad and this is another episode of Marketing Explained, where we explain marketing concepts and acronyms in stupid simple terms so that you can apply it to your business accurately. Today we're going to go through lead gen magnets.
Get my cash right, cause I spent it all last night, said I'm good to go.
Lead gen magnets are my personal favorite growth tool, and it's a thing that I use throughout every single business that I create. Why are they so good? I'm going to tell you later in this video. First of all, what are they? Simply, lead gen magnets are usually at the top of the marketing funnel. If you don't know what a marketing funnel is, please check out our video on marketing funnels. So essentially, it's the cold traffic, the traffic that hasn't really seen you before, and you're trying to get something out of them so that you can either target them with emails or retarget them through Facebook ads or different types of ad managers at a later stage and drive them further down the funnel. Lead gen magnets should be tailored to the type of business you're creating, whether it's B2C or B2B. And again, if you don't know the difference, please check out our video on it. You'll learn a lot about it and understand the difference. Some types of lead gen magnets you can use are nowadays super easy to implement because there's lots of software as a service applications and other tools that you can use to quickly make these in a very aesthetically pleasing way that also converts at a very high rate. One of the tools in terms of lead gen magnets that we use extensively in our B2B businesses are ebooks and calculators. Ebooks are a great lead gen magnet because they have usually a very high conversion rate when you're asking people to put in certain details. Why is this? Ebooks have a high perceived value, and if you're answering very specific niche questions relating to your business-to-business field, the people you're trying to sell, your potential clients, it can really get the right people in at the right time at a high conversion rate for a really decent price. Our ebooks, we spend about $5 per conversion on Facebook, and 1 out of every 10 people usually end up signing with us for $10,000+ deals. So a $50 cost per lead is, pretty decent. A $5 cost per lead that turns into a $50 acquisition is a pretty good deal if you ask me. We also extensively use tools such as quizzes or calculators. I personally use quizzes when I'm selling my courses in the middle of the funnel. So once people have seen my webinar, I put in quizzes to further filter out the people that might not want to purchase the course or have the money or aren't ready to make that decision right now, as well as capturing emails at that stage of the funnel so we can retarget them later. Calculators are also a great way because, of course, people really want to, find out results, understand what's going on. And if you're calculating a certain aspect of your business, for example, in my B2B business, we sell recruiting and tech talent. Therefore, we give the clients a calculator on the estimated project costs of their total project. This is hyper useful for clients and makes us look like an expert and authority in the field. You can also use lead gen magnets in B2C, whether it's opt-ins for promo codes or learning more about a specific product. Maybe you create a newsletter around that niche and you're offering high value information on that niche. You can use this as a lead gen magnet to get people into the top of your funnel and keep them going all the way through. Ultimately, lead gen magnets should be used quite early on in your startup business because they're very cheap to create, very easy to send traffic through. If you're simply sending traffic through your product page, your landing page, or whatever it might be, it's always going to have a conversion rate between 1% and 7%, depending on how good that landing page is. And you're always going to lose a lot of potential leads because they just don't want to make that decision right now. Having lead gen magnets that target different personas, different demographics at different parts of the stage of the funnel and different levels of the kind of buyer decision matrix, so to speak, i.e. how high they are up in the company, is a really incredibly useful tool because it means that you're able to essentially segregate all of this audience straight away and pull them in for very little money. I hope you learned a lot about lead gen magnets, and I hope you're thinking already how you can implement them in your own business. If you learned anything today, please can you like and subscribe, and if you want to learn more about marketing and simple concepts and how you can leverage them, I highly encourage you to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, have a beautiful day, peace.